How much should you actually spend on a home security system? People are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting, and today, we're breaking down the top 5 best home security systems without subscription fees to help you find the right balance. Product number 1, ANSQUE Security Cameras. The ANSQUE Security Camera's wireless outdoor home system caught my eye right away, especially with its solar-powered feature and impressive 365-day battery life, all for $279.96. If you want a complete security solution with no hidden fees, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this is a game changer for you. That matters because you can actually track someone in real time and minimize those pesky blind spots. Plus, the 2K color night vision means you can clearly identify faces or license plates even in low light, crucial if something goes down at night. With 955 reviews averaging 4.6 stars, people are clearly satisfied with its performance. Now some folks mention that they wish the installation was a bit simpler. And hey, the fact that it's solar-powered means you won't have to worry about changing batteries constantly. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable outdoor security camera system without the ongoing costs. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact or easier to install without a learning curve. It's solid value for your money, especially for the features it offers. Now, if the installation part of the ANSQUE system bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit. Next up is the Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit, priced at $229.99. This system is designed for homes with 2-4 bedrooms and really caught my attention with its expandable nature and easy setup. If you want something comprehensive without a subscription, this is worth a serious look. Let's break down what makes this system work for you. What this means is that you can set up a robust security net for your home. The mobile app control is a game changer. Receive notifications and monitor your home right from your phone. Even with 6,200 reviews averaging 4.6 stars, users appreciate how intuitive it is. However, some users pointed out that the sensors occasionally go offline. Now here's the thing, if you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, this shouldn't be a significant issue. But if your Wi-Fi is spotty, maybe consider a different option. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable system that can grow with your needs. Skip this one if you prefer a completely self-contained solution without the reliance on Wi-Fi. It gives you solid features at a reasonable price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a simpler setup. Product number 3, SimpliSafe 8-Piece System. The SimpliSafe 8-Piece Wireless Home Security System comes in at $249.99, and it grabbed my attention with its DIY setup and optional professional monitoring. If you want straightforward security without long-term contracts, this is worth a serious look. What's great about SimpliSafe is how easy it is to set up. You just plug in the base station, download the app, and you're good to go. The entry sensors are a lifesaver, alerting you when doors or windows open. Plus, the 35-foot motion detectors cover large areas. With 2,600 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, people love how user-friendly it is. But a few users mention the lack of features compared to other systems. Here's the deal, if you're looking for a system that does the basics well without the frills, this is actually a strong contender. It focuses on reliability over complexity, which is a selling point for many. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss system that you can set up yourself. Skip this one if you need more advanced features or integrations. It's definitely a good value for the price. Now, if you found the last product a bit basic, wait until you see what's next. Product number 4, Ring Alarm 8-Piece Kit. Next, we have the Ring Alarm 8-Piece Kit available for $179.99. It's designed for smaller homes, making it a great entry point for those new to home security. If you want a reliable system that's easy to manage, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a base station, a keypad, and several contact sensors. Here's why this matters. It's straightforward to set up and monitor. The mobile notifications keep you in the loop, and the ability to add more sensors later gives you flexibility. With 17,900 reviews averaging 4.7 stars, it's clear that users enjoy the simplicity. However, some users found the range of the sensors lacking. Here's the thing, if your home layout is compact, the range might not be a problem at all. If you have a larger property, this could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller home and want something simple. Skip this if you have a larger space or if you need extensive coverage. It's a solid deal for what you get. Now, if that last one felt a bit limited for your needs, the next product is going to impress you. Product number 5, Yaesu Security Cameras. Finally, we have the Yaesu Security Cameras wireless outdoor home system for $129.99. This caught my eye with its true 2K HD night vision and impressive battery life. If you want an affordable and effective outdoor camera system without recurring fees, this is worth a serious look. The smart alerts keep you updated about any movements so you can act quickly. With 3,500 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, users appreciate its performance, especially for the price. However, some users have mentioned that the video quality can drop in extreme weather. Here's the upside: if you live in a more temperate area, this shouldn't be an issue at all. Plus, for the price, it's still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable and effective security camera system. Skip this one if you live in an area with extreme weather conditions. It's a great value for what you're getting. So there you have it, the ANSQUE system for comprehensive outdoor coverage, the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit for expandable home security, the Simply Safe for straightforward setups, the Ring Alarm 8-piece for smaller homes, and the Yaesu for budget-friendly outdoor monitoring. Each offers unique features without subscription fees. Choose the one that fits your needs best.